Hello guys, today is about customer care, and many of you have been asking about the customer care course, and I'll be reading some of the questions that you have been asking and answering them. And welcome to Finstock EVarsity. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses, and today we're going to be talking about the customer care course. I'll be reading some of the questions that you have been sending in my DM. Others have been sending SMSs, others have been calling me, and so one of the questions that I have been getting is what are the best courses for customer service? And if you want to do actually customer service, you can actually do it at Finstock EVarsity College. You can visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com. Call them at 0703313722 or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com, where you can do things like support professional. Those are the programs that you can do. Support professional, you can do a culture of services, you can do call center for customer, you can do customer service advantage. All these you can do them at Finstock EVarsity College. And then someone is asking, what are the Kenyans and payment, what are the highest paying jobs in customer service? So I'm going to be reading some of the highest paying jobs according to my research. Number one is a receptionist, and you find that you get from $47. And then member service representative, an average salary of $37. You have client services manager, that is the average salary is $69. And then we have a front desk manager, we have a help desk analyst, we have a flight attendant, event planner, and we have a concierge. So those are some of the highest paying jobs in the customer service. And then another person asked, what are the 5 qualities of a customer service? Number one, you need to be loyal, you need to be a good employee, you have the good employee traits, you need to be a problem solver, you need to be conscientious, and you need to be persuasive if you are a customer care. And then another question is someone was asking about how to write a customer service CV. So if you want to write a customer service CV, number one, first of all you need to decide on the format, which format you're going to be using. Then number two, after that you introduce yourself, and then list your accomplishment. After you have listed your accomplishment, you can now include employment experience, where you indicate all the places that you have been working. After that, you display your educational background. That is where now you tell where you learned this and got the experience from. And then you also include the training experience. Then you include your industry expertise. Then you highlight your bilingual abilities, and find that these are some of the things that they will be looking in a CV. Someone was asking, how do you handle an angry customer? Number one, you need to remain calm. And then after that, you need to practice proactive listening. Then repeat back what your customer says. Always repeat what they are saying. And then after that, then thank them for bringing the issue to your attention. And then explain the steps you take to solve the problem. And then after that, set a time to follow up with them if needed. Then be sincere. And after that, highlight the case priority, which it's something that really needs to be attended to urgently, or is something that you can deal with later. So those are some of the questions I've been getting under the customer care course, and I hope I've answered most of your questions. If you have another question, leave in the comment section and I'll be sure to read it out. And make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification button, so that every time I upload a new video you can always be notified. If you're interested in doing a customer care course, you can actually enroll at Finstock EVarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com, or call them at 0703313722, or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Until next time, goodbye.